Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to generate image with AI using Canva. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Canva app, right? So when you open your Canva app, you can then click on this plus button, right? And then you can search for the kind of image you want to create. So for example, let's say I want to share something that has to do with Twitter. So I could say Twitter post, right? So after that, I can just come here and select what I want. But so let's click on this for instance. Yeah, let's click on that for instance. So I just gonna click on this. You can see the different options that we have here. And you click on this plus, you see option more. But what we want to do is to generate an image with AI using Canva. So you click on this plus once more time. Then you scroll down to where we have apps, right? So click on apps, and then you see the different apps that we have in Canva. So you can search for the app, but if you go to your apps, you'll see text to image, or you can just, just search for text to image. Text to image, sorry, text to image. So you see it, this is it. So what you want to do is to click on the text to image, and then you come here, and then you can just type in whatever kind of image you want to describe. So this is what we call a prompt. So you give it a prompt. So in this sense, I can say something like generate an image of a marketing funnel. So I could also say futuristic, something like that, marketing funnel, so and then I'll click on create your image, right? So it's gonna, you see, it says it's a hard work transforming those images from your head. Wait with us while we generate the image. So you see, this is the image of the futuristic marketing funnel. So I could, this image is very, very okay, but I want to, create it again, right? So let's see if we have all the things that it could create for us. Basically, if you don't like the image, just tell it to recreate the marketing funnel, and you can see it just recreated another one for it. So I'm going to use this image now. The next image that is going to create now, I'm just going to use one of the images. I'll put it inside of the design that I have. So here I will just, I think which one should we use? I think I love this one. So I think I love this. So I can just, where we have this image, I can delete this, and then put this one here. So guys, that is how to create an image with AI using Canva. I hope you learned something from this video. Please give it a like and share this video with your friends so that they can learn from it. And remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tutorial like this.